Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma Crew Cab and Extended Cab. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove the bolts and nuts retaining your shock. You will need a 19mm socket to remove the nut on the top and a 17mm socket and wrench for the nut and bolt on the bottom. Step 3. Cut off your factory shock mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Hold your replacement rear shock mount up to the frame using the factory parts silhouette to help with the alignment. Once in place, tack weld your part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your shock with a 17mm and 19mm socket and wrench. Then you're done!